What's the meaning of C-section? C-section. C-section.
C-section. C-section. A C-section, or cesarean section, is a surgical procedure used to deliver a baby. During the surgery, a horizontal or vertical incision is made in the mother's abdomen and uterus, allowing for the safe removal of the baby. This method may be necessary if vaginal birth is not possible, such as when there are complications during labor, the baby is in distress, or the mother has certain medical conditions. C-sections are generally considered safe, though they carry some risks, including infection and bleeding. Recovery time can also be longer compared to vaginal delivery.